Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're taking a ride into luxury, power, and pure innovation. Meet the 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome. If you think you've seen luxury RVs before, wait till you check this out. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury apartment on a Kenworth chassis. Let's start with what you notice first. The double glass panoramic windshield. It's massive, it's sleek, and it's engineered for real function. Not only does it reduce outside noise and glare, but it also provides top-tier insulation for all-weather travel. Whether you're facing the summer sun or icy mountain passes, the inside stays quiet and climate-controlled. Now, step inside, and you're immediately greeted with elegance. Genuine leather seating, hardwood floors, and ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin. This motorhome is built for those who live on the road without compromising luxury. The living area includes a 4K smart entertainment system, voice-activated controls, and yes, even heated recliners. The kitchen is another standout. Full-size, high-end appliances. We're talking about a convection oven, an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. There's enough counter space to cook a full meal, and the wide side windows keep the view stunning while you cook. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This is next-level comfort. A king-size memory foam bed with adjustable settings, underbed, storage, and a motorized skylight that lets you sleep under the stars. There's even a smart TV tucked into the wall and climate zones for personalized comfort. The bathroom is just as luxurious. Rainfall shower, marble-style finish, and digital water temperature controls. It honestly feels more like a spa than an RV bathroom. When you're behind the wheel, you'll appreciate the full digital cockpit. Everything is touchscreen, from navigation to suspension control. Adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make this massive rig easy to handle, even in tighter spots. On the outside, you've got automatic awnings, an outdoor entertainment system, fold-out tables, and even a compact outdoor kitchen. Plus, it comes with roof-mounted solar panels that help power your off-grid adventures. This beast is built on a powerful Kenworth diesel platform, which means serious towing power and a ride quality that's unbelievably smooth for a pod vehicle this size. It's got the heart of a truck and the soul of a resort. Now, it doesn't come cheap, starting well into the six figures. But for full-time travelers, road trippers, or anyone who wants the ultimate mobile lifestyle, the 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome is worth every penny. So, what do you think? Could you live full-time in this luxury machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next big review. This is Honest Auto Wheels, bringing you the boldest, smartest, and most powerful vehicles on the road. See you in the next one.